morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've just woken up and I'm about to make some breakfast because I'm filming a what I ate today video and I'm craving something appley and cinnamony. It's pretty much winter here in Australia, so all I crave is just those like warm comfort foods. So I'm gonna make this. I actually have a recipe on my Instagram of an apple and cinnamon, like a mug cake kind of thing, but this morning I'm going to attempt a apple crumble, like a 5-minute apple crumble. So we'll see how we go. First thing I'm gonna do is dice up the apple and then I will show you guys the rest of the steps. So I've just cut up a little red apple. You can also cut up a green one, and I'm going to pop it in a frying pan with melted coconut oil. This is a bit difficult with one hand. So I actually saw this on TikTok, this way of making an apple crumble. So we're giving this a go. And then we're going to use coconut sugar, just a teaspoon of that. And we're going to sprinkle it over the apples. And then we're going to use some maple syrup. I'm actually using the apple and cinnamon sugar-free one, but you can just use a normal maple syrup. And just placing a bit of that on. And then we need some rolled oats. I'm going to do about 1/4 cup, so it actually keeps me full. And we're just going to let that all cook together for a few minutes and I will show you guys the finished product. So I've just sat down, I've got my little coffee. I literally just have instant coffee with almond milk. But this is a little apple crumble and it looks so good, if you guys can see that. So now I'm going to taste test it. That's so good, and it was so easy as well. I probably would have cooked the apples for a tiny bit longer. They're a little bit too crunchy, but some people like crunchy apples and some people like really soft ones. But that was so good. Literally just rolled oats, diced apple, maple syrup, cinnamon, and coconut sugar. Oh, it'd be so good with like yogurt on top as well, but I didn't have any. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this. I've got my laptop here. I'm gonna start editing a YouTube video, the TikTok viral food one, which should be up before this, so definitely check that out if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll check back in with you guys when I have some lunch. So I've just gotten ready for the day and it is now lunchtime, but I have a few more errands that I need to run. I need to go to Officeworks and print off a few things, so I'm just gonna have a quick little snack. Don't mind my pantry. Wow. Can you tell I like snacking in isolation? Because I do. But I'm just gonna have these whole food bowls. There are 6 in a pack and I'm just gonna have 3 because I feel like a 6 is quite a lot. But yeah, they're just made with dates, cashews, cacao powder, cranberries, and coconut. And this is by far my favorite flavor. They are so, so good. So I'm gonna have 3 of these, do some errands, and then I will show you guys what I'm making for lunch. So I've just gotten home and now I'm going to make some lunch, and I've been really craving like a honey soy teriyaki kind of stir fry. So I'm gonna make that for my lunch this week. So all you'll need is some chicken breast. You could also use like tofu or something if you want a meat-free option. I've got some microwavable brown rice. I do have normal rice, but I have to run to a client in like 45 minutes, so I don't really have a lot of time to cook rice, so I think I'm just going to do the microwavable one at the moment. We've got some salt reduced soy sauce, some honey, and I'm also going to throw in like a bag of stir fry frozen vegetables because again, I am short for time, so this should only take about 15 minutes all up, if that. But yeah, basically you're just going to dice the chicken into cubes or however you fancy, and then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and mix that with the chicken and basically just cook it all up. I would recommend like marinating it for at least half an hour or even like overnight if you could. But yeah, short for time, let's go. my lunch ready now and this looks amazing. I also sprinkled cashews on top and some sesame seeds as well because I just love the crunch. So I'm going to eat this now, and I've got my Happy Way water bottle as well to keep me hydrated because I forget to drink water in isolation. I just really don't drink enough. But anyway, I've got my water bottle, my little stir fry, and I'm going to eat this, and then I have to train a client in about half an hour. So I will check back in with you guys when I have an afternoon snack. Not really sure what it'll be yet, but I will let you know. Okay, I'm back in the same spot as I was before, and now I am having my afternoon coffee because it is so needed today. I'm so tired, but I pretty much have a coffee at like 3 p.m. every day regardless. And then with my coffee, I'm being such a nana and I'm having these little cookies. Definitely not the healthiest option ever, but for 2 cookies, it's 127 calories and 7.3 grams of sugar. So I'm just gonna do that. You guys know I usually like to bake things, but I really haven't had time recently, so this has kind of been my go-to. They are tiny though, so it ain't gonna do much. Other than that, I'm also gonna have a banana, so it actually keeps me full until dinner. But yeah, I'm just gonna have this. We're gonna go for a nice beach walk because it's beautiful today. And then I have clients this afternoon as well. So Andy is on dinner duty. We'll see what he masters up. I think I know what we're having though, so I'm pretty excited, but I will let you guys know when I get home later tonight what we are doing. Oh, you made chips.
Yeah.
Yum. So I just got home from training clients now. It is nearly 8 p.m. and I am starving. So Andy has made us some dinner. Well, half made it. Now I have to do the rest. So we're having chili chicken wraps for dinner tonight and I'm so excited. I love sweet chili tenders. They're probably one of my weaknesses. Again, probably not the healthiest thing ever, but they're not that bad, so it'll be alright. But we've got some wholemeal wraps and we're just going to top it with light cheese, lettuce, sweet chili sauce and mayo. So super easy, and Andy made some homemade fries as well. So this is going to be delicious. So we just finished dinner and it was amazing, but now it is time for dessert and I'm going to have this strawberry cheesecake halo top. I bought this yesterday and it was the first time I had tried it and I am obsessed. So if you haven't tried this flavor yet, definitely recommend it. I've probably already eaten like a quarter of it. I'm probably gonna have another little bit, but yeah, I just thought I would end out the vlog now because that is the end of this what I ate today video. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!